The Coordination Office for Prevention of Trafficking in Persons in the Ministry of Internal Affairs has revealed 22 Ugandans under detention in Myanmar and Thailand. It is believed these Ugandans include 17 males and 5 females were trafficked to the Far East by a cartel. Prime Minister Robina Nabbanja was briefed on the matter on December 8th with efforts on to rescue the group.
Now, today we intend to circulate the names of the same Ugandans who are in need of this rescue for purposes of generating more information that may come from you as the public, as the relatives, because the relatives requested that this be known as much as possible to help and rescue them, but at the same time to also bring to book the perpetrators. Some of these persons that I'm going to read out may be known to you in one way or the other. You may know probably how they left the country. You may also know maybe some of the people they were working with before they left, the people they were relating with before they left. So this is intended to help Uganda Police and all other investigating authorities to generate more information. You reach out to the police and give information in relation to the following people that need our rescue. Among the 22, the 17 males include Luima Mahad, Semogerere Klaiba, Kalanzi Andrew Micho, Kauma Elvin Eddy, Nabimba Lawrence Lorin, Lubega Alex, Mwesezi Gideon, Musoke Akiram, Muonge Constant, Semuju Brian, Chigundu Joshua, Chigundu Abdul Nasif, Luchamuzi Yusuf, Tumwine Solite, Yahweh Lawrence, Sebiala Alex, and Bossa Usama Messi. Now, the females were 5, and they include Namugenyi Shamira, Zarwango Flavia, Chimuli Brenda, Nalwada Farida, and Namtebi Jacent Mirembe.
It is believed the cartel is composed of both Ugandans and foreigners who traffic people to Thailand for labor.
Stand warned or you stay alert. Some of these numbers were circulated from Asia by the Ugandans there that have this information about our Ugandans in this situation, and they gave us this information to be able to warn even those Ugandans that could be in contact or may find themselves in contact with the same groups that are perpetuating Ugandans to Thailand. As you may see, this telephone number by Joanna, who is also known as a Chinese in Dubai. There are quite a number that I'm going to show you. This is one of them. If any of you came across this number, you need to stay alert. You need to be cautious how you deal with these people. And if they get in contact with you, contact the nearest police station for that matter. Now, the first 3 numbers I'm showing you are for persons living outside Uganda. This one is for someone also known as Dan Deal, as you may see here, a Ugandan. He calls himself Dan Deal, and this is the contact that he uses in his dealings. Then one Ugandan female, we've always told you that even the women will traffic you. Don't take it for granted that they cannot. This one is for Brenda, a Ugandan, who lives in Thailand, but also has a number for Dubai or United Arab Emirates. So these three numbers are for those perpetrators that are in connection with the ones that I'm going to show you in Uganda. In Uganda, we have the number below, which belongs to one Namuli Kolo, also known as the councillor in Kanyanya, Kawempe. The lady here is one of the perpetrators that we are also investigating together with our counterparts in Uganda Police. So if you come into contact with someone who identifies as Namuli Kolo and also probably may tell you they are a councillor or a leader in Kanyanya, please inform the nearest police, but at the same time also don't deal with such a person. You may fall victim. The other, who could be a brother, is Shafiq Kolo Matovu, also known as, allegedly, as a councillor.
In another development, Ugandan nationals identified as Michael Tumusime and Rita Nachunga were trafficked to Qatar and Thailand, respectively, before they were arrested for drug trafficking.
Tumusime Michael was also trafficked to Qatar. Now, in this particular case, Tumusime Michael, first of all, left the country, and his people or his relatives did not know that he had left the country. He left the country on 10th of November aboard Qatar Airways, and in the due course, the relatives looked for him, and later on 17th of November, at Ginger Road Police Station, they filed or they lodged a complaint of a missing person. However, from this information that we got on Friday, it was found out that Tumusime Michael is actually in Qatar in prison. He was arrested with pellets. He had, I think, swallowed these pellets, and he was arrested on arrival in Qatar. In the same relation, Nadunga Rita, this one is a female, is in Thailand, in the prison, but for her, she's serving 7 years and 6 months for drug trafficking.
As the festive season nears, the Coordination Office has urged the public to be vigilant and be on the lookout for fraudsters and perpetuators.
We've called upon you, Ugandans. We've called upon you, relatives and friends, that some of these destinations don't have employment for you, don't have those opportunities that are promised. And we've always told you that in any case, if you seek to export labor, try and go through the respective labor recruitment companies that we have listed at the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development. In that way, we are sure that we also can secure your life. We are sure that you're protected in many ways because we have your information, and at the same time, we can also reach.
Naguja Serena,